Bechtel National, together with prime subcontractor URS Corporation Washington Division, is constructing the waste treatment plant, also known locally as the Vit Plant, at the Hanford site for the U.S. Department of Energy. We are building what will be the world's largest and most complex radioactive waste treatment plant. The waste treatment plant will immobilize millions of gallons of highly radioactive waste left over from the Cold War into stable glass through a process called vitrification. The Vit Plant has 4 major facilities: the pre-treatment facility, the high-level waste vitrification facility, the low-activity waste vitrification facility, and an analytical laboratory. There are also 20 support structures known as the balance of facilities. Our team includes over 3,000 members located across the nation, on the construction site, in offices in Richland, Washington, in Oakland, California, in Frederick, Maryland, and in additional 27 remote locations. Together, we are making safety and quality our top priority. We have much to be proud of, as our work in 2007 has brought the project closer to completion. This year, we submitted our application for the DOE Voluntary Protection Program Safety Star status, which recognizes an outstanding safety culture within the DOE complex. In December, we achieved 2 million safe construction hours and 5 million total safe project hours. We have successfully implemented an earned value management system, and our project is more stable now than ever before. This year, DOE approved the revised ground motion criteria, allowing construction to resume on the pre-treatment and high-level waste facilities 2 years after it was halted. Progress on the Vit Plant has been significant this year. The high-level waste vitrification facility. In August, we returned to full construction at the HLW facility and placed concrete 3 months ahead of schedule. Design of the facility is now 80% complete and construction is 17% complete. This year we completed and froze the physical layout design of the facility as well as the process design. We met a gate post milestone when a shield door was delivered. Major equipment will be delivered in 2008, including the first set of melters, which during operations will heat the waste and glass mixture to 2100 degrees Fahrenheit. The pre-treatment facility. Full construction resumed on the pre-treatment facility in December. Craft employees are hard at work, erecting structural steel and preparing to place concrete. The design of this facility is now 66% complete and construction is 23% complete. The low-activity waste facility. Of the primary facilities, the low-activity waste facility is closest to completion. At 91% designed and more than 50% constructed, it is scheduled for completion in 2011. This year, we placed the structural steel for the North Annex and West Import Bay and placed the East Export Bay walls, finishing the structural concrete for the facility. We completed 13 gate post milestones, 12 of them ahead of schedule. The Analytical Laboratory. The Analytical Laboratory saw major progress in 2007. The building's structural steel was completed in June, and in early December, the building was sited in. We also completed coating the hot cell walls and installed the steel monorail. We are constructing the lab's exhaust stack to be placed atop the building in 2008. Our dedication has brought the lab to 76% designed and 42% constructed. The balance of facilities. 20 buildings and underground utilities designed to support operations at the Vit Plant make up the balance of facilities, or BOF. In 2007, 5 air drying units, the last major equipment needed to complete the chiller compressor plant, were delivered and installed. In late November, we received the first 2 of the 13 huge glass former silos that will store and dispense the materials to be mixed with the waste to form glass. In total, the balance of facilities is 67% designed and 60% constructed. We have initiated system completion activities for the fire-water system, which will be the first turnover for the project. The Vit Plant is now 69% designed and 34% constructed. To date, more than 180,000 cubic yards of concrete containing almost 34,000 tons of rebar have been placed. More than 250,000 feet of piping, 11,000 tons of steel, and 32 miles of electrical cable have been installed. We've accepted the challenge and are committed to safely designing and constructing the Vit Plant. It is our everyday efforts that are bringing us ever closer to completing the nuclear fuel cycle and protecting the environment from Hanford's nuclear waste. We are taking pride in our work and making history. Thank you for being part of this exciting project.